Mm, wow. These are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. So for today's recipe, guys, you're gonna need some thyme, some pimento berries, fresh garlic, green onion, habanero pepper, a little bit of onion, some fish seasoning, salt and pepper, and I'm using 5 slices of kingfish and some all-purpose flour. So we're gonna start off by seasoning our flour. Add your salt and pepper, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything together until the salt, pepper, and the flour, everything is fully combined. Now we're just gonna set this aside, guys, and blend our natural herbs together. All right, so now we're gonna season our fish. Add our fish seasoning. Flip it over. Just make sure you season both sides, all right? Rub it up. After you apply your seasoning, your dry fish seasoning, then we're gonna add our blended, seasoning. Yes, so now you wanna add your blended mix. And don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, guys. All right, just rub it in, mix it up. And we're just gonna let this marinate for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, then we'll add it to our flour mixture, and then we're gonna fry it up real quick. All right, guys, so once your oil is hot, you wanna add your fish, and we're gonna fry, the fish until it's nice and crispy for about 3 minutes per side. And we're gonna add our blended herbs. After you add your blended herb, guys, we're gonna add some cock soup, spicy chicken soup mix. And we're just gonna bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, then we're gonna add our fish. We're gonna add a little bit of tomato and some bell peppers. Yeah, so you wanna boil your soup mix for about 7 to 10 minutes. After about 7 minutes, add your fish, add your fried fish, and then we're gonna cook that down for about 3 minutes, and then we should be good to go. Yes, guys. So I'm about to do a quick taste test. Mm, wow, it's hot. Wow. Mm, wow. Yes, guys. The texture, is nice and soft. Flavorful. Have a nice little kick to it. Nice little spiciness. Mm, this is so good. This is a must try recipe, guys. And once you add that soup mix at the end to it, and it combines with that you know blended herb, it's a wrap. That's it. It's good. Mm. I would eat this like every day, guys. Every day. It's that good. Definitely, check out this recipe. Let me know what you think. All right, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace. Until next time, guys, keep spreading love through food. Stay passionate, stay creative, and let your culinary journey be a masterpiece. See you soon.